So now we are going to learn how to make a business card name with Canva. Okay, for the first, you exactly need to go to Canva website first. Click Canva, type Canva and then click it. Well, just click collaboration and make a design graphics. Right, and then click it. Well, we're gonna move to the website. Okay, hold on. Okay, done. For the next step is go to template without clicking. Don't click template, just move the mouse to template and then move to move to kartu nama because I'm using bahasa in English is supposed to be business card. Yeah, business card. Okay, I'll double click. Okay, let's processing. Okay, done. And everyone, remember just change free only, not free and pro. Just click it, everyone, and just free only, right? And then try to find the without RP. Yeah, the thing that without RP or berbayar, it means you should pay. Just choose the free one. Okay, I'm trying my best. Because I really like the simple thing, and then I think I need to choose the simple one. I think this one. Okay, this one, yeah, everyone. Okay, customize this template. The first, I need to change the name first because my company is MS Music. I need to customize too for the size. I think it's too big. Okay, music, music studio. I'll make it small at first. Okay, hold on. I think I need to move further down. Okay, hold on. Like this. I need to erase this one. And then I need to move here. And then I think I need to change the font too. And I think with this, not really. Oh, okay. Okay, okay, I think here. Hold on. Studio. Okay, how this. Okay, hold on. Okay, I think here. Ah, okay. Okay, it's better. And second one, I need to give my logo. Remember, yeah, we learned already, we made already the logo, right? So time for uploading the logo and put your logo to your business card name. Click unggahan or upload, yeah. Unggahan it means upload, yeah. Click unggahan. Even I upload already, but I'm going to teach you, yeah, how the way to put your logo. Just unggah media or upload media. Click it and try to find your logo that you made last week. Yeah. Okay, and then look, this is my logo that I made last week, right? And then click it, and then click open, and keep the Canva uploading the logo. Okay, done. I upload already. How to put here? Just click, double click, click, click. Okay. Oh, only once click, yeah. Once click only. Remember. So I'm going to make it small. Okay, hold on. And try to put the favorite place that you want. Here or here, maybe. I think here. Okay, not really good. I think here. Okay, lah here. I think yeah, you need to put your logo wherever you want. Maybe left or the right side. Yeah, it's up to you, right? Because I a little bit like to put here. I think so. In the left corner, I think it's better. Okay, like this. Okay, remember we actually have two sides. Yeah, this is front side, and this is one for the back side. Okay, because you know business card sometimes has two front and back side like that. Yeah. Okay, for the first, I think I need to change with my own name because my name is okay Father Rosie. Ask the producers. So I think I need to change with the producers. The producers. Yeah, or maybe like director, yeah, director, producer, and if you want, I like the producer name. And then just example, maybe it's my own name, phone number, and then I just change it with my email. Everyone, for a business sometimes email is what is that, secure than like phone number, and I mean like then Instagram and then another. I think email is better than we put like social media, but it's okay. Social media also is important thing, or I need that all the people can access, can I mean not can see your social media, right? But in here, I just give my email address. My email address is oz at Halifa ams ch .id, like that. Then I'm done. This is front side and this is back side. The second one step, the next step is downloading. So because I'm done, just click downloading, right? Everyone, you need to print it out also, yeah, because maybe you would like to have the real business card, right? You need to print this paper too. And then because I just want to use digitally business card name, so I just download this one for PDF, right? We actually have like like GP, GPNG, PDF, and then the recommendation it means print in PDF, right? Even PDFs that also can be used, PNG also, but PNG only for the better one for logo. So just choose PDF, yeah. Okay, right? And then go. Remember ya, cetak PDF or print PDF. And then click unduh, it mean download. Just click it. Okay, hold on. Well, don't forget to name it, yeah. For example, business card. Oh, hold on. Card. OZ. Uh, B2B, for example, like that, and click save. And click save, right? Okay, done. Okay, let me check it first. I'm going to check, did I download or not yet? And I'm done. Ah, okay. If you wanna print, just click print, and later on you cut. Yeah, cut and if you paper it big, so just print it out and then you may cut. Yeah, and then just fix like the real business card. Okay, everyone. I think enough for this tutorial. Hopefully, it's benefit for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.